Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner. 今天我们要进行小说的另外一篇。这一篇呢，最主要是学到 What do you see? 以 What do you see 来做问句。然后呢，最主要的呢，我们今天要学的是 There is a 什么东西。好，有一个什么东西 There is 呢，单数的有跟There is a something. OK.Look in the garden. 我们都知道在花园里面呢 What do you see? OK, what do you see? There is a tiny fly. Tiny 呢是小小的意思 Tiny fly. There is a tiny ladybug. Ladybug. What is a ladybug? OK, we have ladybug in here. There is a tiny ladybug.Alright, next one. There is a tiny grasshopper. Grasshopper. There's a tiny bee. There's a tiny bee. There's a tiny ant. 哦，有没有看到 ant? Here's ant. There's a tiny ant.There's a giant me. OK, 所以他觉得他不是 tiny 了，他是 giant 很大的。OK, 好来学到这几个 There is a, there is a. 好，那我们往回走，第一个看到是 me, and then ant, bee, grasshopper, ladybug.Fly. Garden. Garden, you see many flowers. Okay, let's go from the beginning. Tiny things. Look in the garden. What do you see? There's a tiny fly. There's a tiny ladybug. There's a tiny grasshopper.There's a tiny bee. There's a tiny ant. There's a giant me. Okay, so that is for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.